Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua ni murikitwo ni kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania bururi-ini EACC na kiria yugite kuri na mienya ya uhuthiri moru wa kigina kaunti-ini ino undu uria ni mugaru na watho. Oho kamiti ino niimenereirie thirikari ya kaunti ino na kiria yugite ni ikoretwo ikihuthira aruti a wira a moko ni casual workers hari ungania wa magoti undu uria wonanitie kuura kwa mbeca na njira ya kiriga.
This basically cannot be considered as casual workers. They are the people who are working with the local defunct county authority. So they've been with us since devolution. So in terms of getting to know who they are, in terms of managing them, in terms of accountability, they have the responsible officers who are actually managing them.
Kurigana na kamishna wa kamiti ino Dagitari Abdi Malim ni ugete mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2017 na 2018 thirikari ya kaunti iyo ni yatanyite kurogota shiringi milioni 371 no riboti ikonania yarogotire muigana wa shiringi milioni 318 undu uria wonanitie kwaga gwibanga wega mathabu-ini mao ma bajeti undu uria ucungiririe tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere kurugamani wagi wa kigina.
If a government officer is given that task and he or she mismanages those resources, you will deal with him. But a casual worker, you have got no contract with him. You know, he can run away anytime, and you won't have any contract or any agreement between you and the county government, or between the county government and the person.
Any imprest that is taken should be surrendered within 7 days, failure to which the relevant accounting officer should take action, including surcharge, to ensure that that money is recovered where necessary with interest.
Kuhana uguo bunge ya kaunti ino ni imenereirio ni kwenderera andu amwe hari uheani wa mathomo gukirikana speaker wa kaunti yo Ndegwa wa Home ni aheirwo shiringi 300,000 cia gwikenia ari nja wa bururi.
A criminal to take money and not account for. And this is part of our financial management system, and sometimes we take it lightly, but it can be very disastrous at times. And we encourage government officers and all of us to be prudent in our utilization, so that when we travel or we come back or we have been sent there, we submit. Not sometimes, not that you have not done this, but you might take time to submit even the air ticket or even the the fuel that you use for the vehicle.
Kamiti ino ni yugite ni kwambika mitaratara mirungiriru niguo gutigirira ni yathinga mianya yothe ya ungumania. Handu-ini ha Kamiti TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.